Hi there, I'm Brendan Aucamp. My project is focused all on the infrastructure supply chain within New Zealand. I specifically looked at the relationship between risk and productivity within the sector, and I aim to see what effect this has on the efficiency of the sector, if any at all. This is all on the basis that there has been a stagnant growth within the infrastructure sector when compared to other sectors such as manufacturing. To gather the results of my experiment, I first started with doing literature reviews to explore the project and the scope and really get an idea and feel for it and get any relevant data that I can through that. I then performed various interviews with different contractors within the space to grasp what sort of experience they have and what sort of risks and other sorts of things they feel are affecting the supply chain's productivity. From here, I was able to put together a framework of questions that I can ask various experienced people within the sector on a one-on-one basis. The people that I asked were very varied in experience levels. This was so that I can gather a holistic view of the whole sector and really broaden my range of results. The people I interviewed range from an experienced civil engineer to a building inspector to an experienced builder, all the way to an executive civil engineer. The results they all came with were varied, though there were a few results that were common throughout all. The results that were common throughout all are as follows. First, buildability not being considered in a project's initial design. This was the first major risk that was identified. The second is variation orders needing to be placed on pretty much all projects for every single case study I performed. This adds excess costs onto the project and extensive delays on time frame. The next is the difficulty that the COVID pandemic has put on the infrastructure sector. This is from sourcing materials and adding stress through how difficult it is to get materials and tools on time. I'd just like to acknowledge the people who helped me through this project, and that is my supervisor, Mostafa, and my industry supervisor, Herman. Thank you for listening and have a good day.